I tell you, this Beenie and Bounty's clash, 1993 over Sting, is the greatest clash in dancehall history. Reason being, it propelled these two artists to the top of the dancehall pyramid. In my opinion, Beenie and Bounty is the two greatest. Wait a minute. Was that Ninja Man? He just had to be there. As I was saying, Beenie and Bounty, they are the two greatest dancehall artists of all time. Both of them are number one. It's crazy how the beef started with Bounty accusing Beenie Man of piracy, copying his style or stealing his lyrics.
Mix this. Hi, Mr. Prescott. Boy, no.
I'm married with that boy.
I don't need that.
You're a pirate, right?
Hold on.
On a second.
Hold on. My own.
You're a pirate.
Get
scrap of war. You're a barber. Interpretator. Everything I say you repeat after.
Illiterate in a way that you would calm down.
Different, Chuck.
Read the Bible.
Yo, Beenie and Bounty, greatest dancehall artists of all time, from rivals to idols.